So if the tongue sits at the roof of your mouth, it will open up the airways. So what happens when, especially with people with obstructive sleep apnea, when the tongue can fall back, there are a few places like throat, soft palate, which can collapse, and also the tongue can fall back. So if the tongue is not at the roof of the mouth when we go to sleep and during night, and if we're sleeping on the back, the base of the tongue will fall back and create the obstruction. The trip to the pharmacy, your local pharmacy, for you to get the micropore tape. It's a paper tape which is very gentle on your lips, and this is the best way to help you with your snoring or with your sleep issues. So if you snore, even though you're not opening your eyes fully and you're not awake when you snore, you still don't get deep sleep. So to get quality sleep, you need to be able to control your breathing, and to control your breathing initially for at night, we need to be able to restore nasal breathing at night as well. So that's why we need the micropore tape, and I want you to take about 10 centimeters of the tape. You can fold it on one side and fold it on the other side. You can wipe your face, because sometimes you've got a little saliva on the sides, and then you place over the tape before you go to sleep. So if this sounds scary to you, let me know. Let me know in the comments. Because some people experience a bit of anxiety when they hear about the tape. So I mentioned in a previous video that if you're able to breathe through the nose in and out for 1 minute or longer, then you're able to do it for life. It means that if you place the tape over your mouth, you will be able to breathe. There will be enough oxygen coming to you. I got some micropore tape and did that, but it was very difficult to get off my lips in the morning. Yes. It is quite difficult. Sometimes some brands, so I've got this brand Nextcare 3M. Yeah. Sometimes you can just get, before you put them on your lips, you can put them on your wrist and get a little bit of glue off, and then you place that over. You can also take smaller piece. Yeah, so you can get a smaller piece and place it just on your lips, like that. You can use warm water and a soap and just wash it and try to gently get it down. You can also try to lift it instead of this way. You can start to lift it this way, and maybe that will be more gentle for you. We also have, I'm not sure if you're in Australia or not, Debbie, but we also have Myo tape. So I currently probably the only one distributor of Myo tape in Australia. Otherwise, if you're from outside Australia, I know some people are not here, you can get them off the main website. But we've got the Myo tape. I actually have only the kids one at the moment. But the Myo tape is the gentle tape which goes around the mouth. So for people with anxiety, or for pregnant people, and mostly for kids, we use the Myo tape which goes around the mouth, and it's a bit gentler. So that creates the pressure around your mouth. But oh, great. That's that. For those who haven't tried it before, if you're anxious about taping your mouth, like I said, 1 minute of nasal breathing is a good indicator that there is no physical obstruction like polyps or things like that. But if you're really anxious, try 15 minutes before you go to bed or during the day, just to get yourself used. Let me know in the next couple of days how you go. if you gave it a go. If you have any you know, worries about that, just message, just post on the page, and yeah, and I'll be able to assist you.